let's be real. The road is full of surprises you don't want to explain to your insurance company. A dashcam is your unbiased witness, and ROVE makes some of the most popular ones out there. But which model has the features you actually need? We are breaking down the top 5 ROVE dashcams, from fantastic single-lens options to a powerhouse triple-channel system. There's a perfect fit for every driver and budget. First up, the ROVE R2 4K Dual. This is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it solution for complete front and rear coverage. It captures stunning 4K video in the front and full 1080p in the back, ensuring you catch every detail. The real game changer here is the Sony Starvis 2 sensor. This thing is a low-light champion, delivering incredibly clear footage even at night. You get a super capacitor that handles extreme heat and cold way better than old-school batteries, built-in GPS to log your speed and route, and super fast 5G Wi-Fi to download clips to your phone in seconds. The best part? A 128GB memory card is included right in the box. The only thing to note is you'll need a separate hardwired kit to use the excellent 24/7 parking mode. This is the go-to for any commuter or family driver who wants peace of mind with a crystal-clear dual-lens view of the road. At number 2, we have the ROVE R2 4K. If you're looking for a rock-solid single-channel dashcam that just works, this one shines. It records in sharp, detailed 4K Ultra HD and is built around a supercapacitor for maximum reliability. You still get essential features like built-in GPS and Wi-Fi to connect to the ROVE app on your phone. Now, let's be real, the Wi-Fi speed is a bit slower than the newer models for transferring those large 4K files, and a memory card is not included, so you'll need to grab one separately. But that's the trade-off for this incredibly accessible price point. If you want a no-nonsense, front-facing camera that delivers fantastic video quality without any fancy extras, the R2 4K is a stellar choice. It's perfect for the budget-conscious buyer who wants core protection and top-tier daytime and night vision recording from a trusted brand. Our number 3 pick is the ROVE R2 4K Pro. Think of this as the R2 4K's more powerful, tech-savvy big brother. It records in buttery smooth 4K and even offers a 2.5K resolution at 60 frames per second, which is fantastic for capturing ultra-clear license plates in motion. It's packed with upgraded features, including advanced 5G Wi-Fi for the fastest possible connection to your phone, built-in GPS, and voice guidance for hands-free control. The package is incredibly complete with a long 12-foot charging cable and all the mounting hardware you could need. The only minor limitation is the 512GB memory card cap, but that's a massive amount of recording time. This dashcam is a dream for the driver who loves having the latest tech and wants a super responsive app experience, with faster downloads and a more polished feature set, all in a reliable single-channel design. Coming in at number 4 is the ROVE R3, and this isn't just a dash cam, it's a full vehicle security command center. This is the only model on our list that records 3 channels simultaneously: the road ahead, the cabin inside, and the rear window. The 3-inch IPS touchscreen makes it a breeze to navigate, and it features 4 infrared LEDs that illuminate the cabin in complete darkness, providing perfect clarity for rideshare drivers. You get blazing fast Wi-Fi, quad-mode GPS, and a super capacitor for dependable performance. The main thing to know is that a memory card is required and sold separately. But for anyone who needs interior coverage, this is an absolute game changer. The R3 is unequivocally the best choice for Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers, or for any parent who wants to keep an eye on what's happening inside the car. It offers unparalleled 360 degrees peace of mind. And finally, our number 5 spot features the crown jewel, the ROVE R2 4K Dual Pro. This is the Ferrari of the ROVE lineup, built for those who refuse to compromise on video quality. It features dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors for both the front 4K and rear 2K cameras, delivering mind-blowing image clarity with incredible dynamic range. It boasts the fastest Wi-Fi 6 technology, quad-mode GPS for pinpoint location accuracy, and includes both a 128GB card and a CPL filter to eliminate windshield glare. If you demand the sharpest possible video evidence, the most advanced tech, and a truly future-proof setup, this is the one to get. The only small hurdle is the premium price, but you are getting the absolute best. It's the top-tier choice for the detail-oriented driver, and the one I'd pick if my primary goal was capturing license plates and road signs with flawless precision. So, to quickly recap, for the best overall value and features in a dual cam, the R2 4K Dual is incredible. For pure budget-friendly front-facing recording, the R2 4K can't be beat. The R2 4K Pro is the ultimate single-channel upgrade, the R3 is essential for rideshare, and the R2 4K Dual Pro has unmatched video quality. But if I had to choose one for its perfect blend of top-tier tech and incredible clarity, the R2 4K Dual Pro is our top overall pick. Once you start driving with one of these, you'll feel a level of security you won't want to go back from.